In this tutorial, I'll show you how to join the Amazon affiliate program. You can choose from any country at all of your choice, but in this case, I'll sign up for the Amazon USA. Let's get started. First, I'm going to have to scroll down, and this is what I'm looking for: become an affiliate. Don't be surprised if you see Amazon Associate is still the same. Click on sign up. You can enter your email address and your phone number that you have with Amazon already, but I will advise you to create a separate account, because in case you have any issue with Amazon, they can ban your regular Amazon account. Enter your first and last name, your email address, create a PID, and make sure you have characters and letters just to make it strong. I'll do that quick, and I'll click create your account. Amazon has sent me OTP number I need to enter here. I will check and I'll do that quick. 183533. Click here. I need to create a new bird. Add a mobile number. Make sure you're gonna choose the country that you are in. In my case, it's gonna be Canada. Then enter the phone number. Then I'll click add mobile number. I'll do that quick and I'll get back to you. Verify your number. All right, they've sent me a text. I'm gonna enter the number just to verify the phone number. If you enter a wrong phone number or a fake number, trust me, it's gonna go against you, because you're not gonna be able to find this code. Click verify. Create your Amazon Associate account. Account info. We are done with that. We need website and mobile app list. We're gonna scroll down. You need to scroll down. Then your address will be here. Then who is the main contact? The payee listed above. Make sure it's you. If you are creating this account for someone else or for your company, you click on someone else. I need to enter their information. Let's say if I click here, then you're gonna have to enter the contact name for that person and the person's phone number. But in my case, it's for me. Click next. Now enter your website, enter your mobile app or Alexa skill. I'll copy my YouTube address and I'll enter it here. You can use any website at all of your choice, like your traditional website. Like in my case, I have blogsdom.com, but I don't want to enter that because I get traffic on my YouTube channel. Scroll down, go to customization, info, basic info, then I'll copy this, right click, copy, then go back, right click, paste, add. If you have another one, you just enter and add here. But you can use your social media account if that's all you have, or like it's written here, if you have a mobile app or Alexa skill, you can enter that one too. But make sure you use the one that you get most traffic on. Scroll down and click next. Any of the traffic source listed above direct primarily at children under 13? No. Make sure you check this. Then confirm. What's my preferred associate ID? I'll enter Blogsdom. Tell us about the content you create. I'll go back here and I'll copy this and Control C, go back, just paste it. I'll edit it. Tell us about the content you create. I'll say I create digital marketing content and product review. This is all I want to write. Scroll down. Which of the following best your content? Blog, coupon or deals website, comparison shopping engine, search, content or niche website, Alexa skills. I'll go with this one. Search 2 is no. I guess you have to go with just one. I'll go with this, content or niche and coupon. In most cases, you can choose content or niche website. If you are using your traditional blog website, then go with blogging. But if you are on social media, YouTube, stuff like that, I think content or niche website is better. How did you hear about us? See, online search from Amazon.com website, online search, word of mouth. I prefer online search. Enter this code here and I'll say click here. Oh, what did I do? Play back. Good to know what's going on. If you click here, that means you want to hear it. I don't want that. I click it just to see what's going on. H3ZRDH. You agree to the terms and conditions of the associate. Most of the time, it's better to right click and open in the new page because they want you to read, even though they might accept that most affiliate programs, they want you to read. What I do, I just open and scroll all the way down and go up again and I just leave it. Then I come back, click here, click the checkbox to check it and click finished. Please, congrats, your name will be here. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com associate program. Like I said earlier on, they use affiliate or associate is still the same. This will be a unique ID number. If your links have not referred qualified after 180 days, your application and access to Associate Central will be withdrawn. Enter your payment and tax information. Let's do it now. So it's asking me to enter my sign in again. For your security, approve this. I will approve it. Let me see. I will approve it from email. You can use any of them. Approve. You just have to be careful. It says approve or deny. I'll just screenshot and I'll drop it just so you guys will know. Click on the approve. So it says someone is attempting to access your account data. You have to approve. I'll screenshot this one again and I'll show it. Approve. Once you approve it, by default it's gonna work itself out. Two-step verification. Enter the phone number where you would like to receive one-time passcode. I'll enter the same number I did before. And now you have to jump a lot of hoops before you sign up this thing. It's not like before. Click continue. It used to be straightforward. Now everything has changed. That's why you need tutorials like this. Data found. Click add new bank. This will be Canada. View or provide tax information. Individual. What is your tax classification? Individual. Are you a US citizen? I would say no. Are you acting as an intermediary agent? I would say no. That is if you're doing it for somebody. Tax identity. Write your full name. Okay, by default, you're gonna have your address here. Type your full name. Select your country, and then I have a non-US citizen. Because my address is from Canada, that's why it has checked by default. But if you are in the US, you're gonna check here. Then after provide TIN, basically your tax insurance number, your work insurance number. It depends on what you call it in your country. I'll do that quick and I'll click new. What? Oh, Canada. Scroll down. After clicking new, it's gonna push you down. Location of service performed. All services will be performed outside the US, which is correct. All services will be performed inside. No, service will be performed inside and outside US. That is when if you travel in between the countries, or if you have a agency. This will apply to you if you travel in and out of the country, or you have a setup in the US and your country. All right, but in most cases it's gonna be all service will be performed outside the US. For me, it depends on you. I consent to provide electronic signature for the information provided as per IRS form W-8 Ben. All right, it's checked already by default. Scroll down. I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person on line 1 of this form. Let's check line 1. I am the individual that is the beneficial owner. Yes, I certified. For signature, type your full name. It's gonna tick the date, which is today. Do this and I'll click on save. You need to make sure everything is correct on this. Click submit form. Your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Applicable withholding rate. This is the agreement between Canada and US. It's called tax treaty. You don't have to worry about that. I'll do my payment information later, or I can go back. I prefer to add my payment information when I earn a commission, but it's up to you. You can do what you want. I'll go exit interview. The task form is completed. For payment, I haven't earned any commission yet. When I earn a commission, I'll come back, click home. As you can tell, I have $0 right now and no click yet because I have not promoted anything. This is the end of the tutorial. Thanks for your time. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.